Today is complaining day and I will tell you guys what I really dislike or hate. It's just my English is not very good, so you have to deal with this. I just can't stand it when people joke about killing yourselves. When I was 16 or 17 years old, I was dealing with a lot of stuff and with a depression. I just really hated myself and my life. I didn't want to live anymore and I was really thinking about suicide and stuff. And one day I went to a concert of a band I really liked. The guitarist, he threw his guitar pick to me and I catched it and I was so happy. But when I went outside, I looked at the guitar pick and it said kill yourself. And I was like, haha, that's funny. I just acted like it was just funny to me. But when I got home, it really made me think like, is this a sign? Should I really kill myself or something? And I know people just joke around, you know, and I just don't understand. I don't think it's funny. Why would you say something? It's just something I really do not get. It's so hateful. I really think words have this power to make people feel good or very bad. It really pisses me off to see comments like that. Why do you have to be so mean? It's so stupid. Why don't go find a life yourself or something? It just really sucks. So yeah, I don't get those jokes. It just makes you look stupid. Kinda life. That was a really important thing I wanted to say. So let's talk about something else. I have some things I don't like. I really cannot stand the sound of people eating. It makes me want to throw up. It's so bad. I have to listen to music or something just to get my focus off of that, because the sound, it just kills me. I cannot stand the sound of people eating the food. So another thing that really annoys me is when I go in public transport and you go inside of a bus and it's so full you have to stand. And no, okay, I can stand, it's okay. If I stand there, don't come stand so close to me that I cannot move or something. It's just, you have to give me some distance. Can you just creep on someone else? Leave me alone. This is so creepy. Don't touch me, okay? Sometimes I would actually just wait for another bus, because this is just such a thing I can't handle. Okay, some other thing that annoys me. My neighbors. No, just kidding. Well, I have some neighbors who have a dog, and the dog sometimes it just starts barking and it won't shut up, and it's just so annoying, and I would scream at it, but then the people who live there are not at home and I'm like, oh my god, just kill the animal. It's just so annoying. It could go 4 hours or 10 or the whole day. Can someone just please shut the thing up? It's so bad. Kill the dog. But they're nice people though. I just hate annoying sounds in general. I need nice things to hear. Alarms, oh my alarm when I have to wake up, worst thing ever. And also the music from my neighbors sometimes at 4 in the morning when I'm asleep and I wake up because their music is so loud. The washing machine, it makes such an annoying noise. Oh my god. Scooters, always chillers would ride, you know, scooters. It's just, no, just throw them in the water. I hate guitars who aren't tuned right. Oh, it hurts my ears. It's making them bleed. I could go on forever, but no. I think I made my point clear that the worst thing is making jokes that are not funny. Don't joke around with illness or disease or suicide or depression or self-harm. It's not funny. It's not. If you make those jokes, just go find someone to love or something. So, well, this was my complaining video. I don't like to complain and I like to be hyper and happy, but I can complain if I want to, so bye bye!